Backstabber, anything team or anything 25, anything from Augusta, Georgia, basically.
Yeah, you don't know them?
Hey, Texas will run through Augusta, Georgia. Hear me? What y'all got out here for us tonight? Huh? Got El Sancho, Silver Dollar. What y'all got out here tonight? Huh? Show y'all something. Oh, okay. But shit, they say, man, let me give a shout out to my bro.
Yeah, go on, put the shout out in one time.
Goddamn, me say, we out here in Florida, man, living a good life, trying to make it look good. Say,
he doing that.
no, I'm just she tell me I'm doing it because I'm standing in front of the camera.
Yeah.
Hey, do it look like camera stuff to you right here? Huh? Look, do it look like that? Hey.
Oh, he talking about he want El Sancho in this.
No, we don't want him. He said it.
Oh, okay, you said it.
He's the one with the
Yeah, you the one with the mouth.
Hey,
Yeah.
You know how you got different races when that camera come around?
Yeah.
That's him right there. He probably not even with the car.
Yeah. Who you with, man? They say you probably ain't with no.
We down Keisha last year, man.
Y'all down Keisha last year?
We down Keisha last year, man. Hear me?
Oh, Keisha just beat Kanye.
I ain't with cognac, nigga. I just said I'm with Silver Dollar and El Sancho. They Houston. We from Dallas, nigga. Yeah, that's what that is, man. We from Dallas. We from Dallas, man. What was she talking about? We from Dallas. She ain't no fitness, man. She ain't gonna bet nothing. You heard me? I ain't looking cool on shit, man. I ain't looking cool on shit, man. Man, you get the fuck out of here. Yeah, who you with? Damn, me. Do this shit, man. They ain't talking about shit. Look out, like I said. Say, anyway, we trying to bet some cash, not our mouth. You hear me?
Yeah.
We trying to bet this cash, man. Not our mouth, man. Hey, man.
Got that rubber band, y'all. You ready, man?
Yeah. God damn, man.
He said, John. Yeah.
Real big. You real big.
I'm trying to bet cash, not my mouth. I'm sorry, man. We ain't finna fuck.
He's showing up for the camera,
we
man.
ain't finna fuck
Hey,
no
get his
promo.
face again. Get his face again.
again.
There he is.
We don't run
There he
pro.
is.
We don't run
There he is.
He said that's a pro mod.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out, look out.